Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Desire UPSC Vlogs. Today's video is all about how was my prelims 2021. And if you guys are new to my channel, then do subscribe it and press the bell icon to never miss any update. I hope every one of you are doing great and enjoying what you are doing currently. And today's video is going to be a little bit different than the usual vlogs which I post, which are study vlogs. So today's vlog is all about prelims 2021. So how was my exam, what were the things which I did, and what next I'm going to do ahead in my preparation journey. Currently, I lives in the outskirts of the city, and it is very far away from the main urban center in the city. And the exam center which is allotted to me from UPSC is very far away. But luckily, one of my friend stays over there, so I have decided to go to her home and stay one day before the exam. So it will be very convenient for me to reach exam center at correct point. So yes, I decided to go to my friend place, so in order to avoid any of the anxiety or any of the time related issues, to reach the exam center on time. Around 12 in the noon, I reached my friend's place, and as it is COVID-19 currently, so once I reached her home, I got freshened up, I sanitized my bag, and I had some of the lemonade to gain some energy because travel was little bit exhausting. And after it, I sat with my books, the some of the important things which I highlighted to revise one day before my prelims. So I was just going through the pages and just taking a glimpse and brushing up my points which I had to revise at the last minute. So yes, there are some of the test series and previous year questions which I'm referring currently. I consider myself that I belong to such category of students who read and revise till last day of the exam, and it is not like that I have not studied in previous months or in last weeks, but it is that I don't want to miss out. I don't want anything to be left, and I don't want any page unturned in order to revise things. So that's why I'm reading in the last day also. And here what I'm doing is I'm just going through and taking glimpses of the highlighted text which I have highlighted in my test series, some of the previous year questions which I found very important, the things which are I have noted down. So I'm just going through all these things. Because I got a very far away center from my home, which is allotted by UPSC, I had to travel to my friend's place. So that's why I was able to carry only a very few books, because I just had the afternoon, few hours of the night. So yes, that was the limited time. So I just took my previous year question paper book and some of the test series which I have to revise. I have highlighted text over there. So it was a very limited time. So I was just taking glimpse and making sure that I don't miss out on anything. When I was giving the test series, I was getting a very mixed batch of marks, and it totally depends. Either it is a sectional test series or a full length test series. But one thing was very common while attempting all the tests, that I always analyze that what are the things which are affecting my marks. Is it the knowledge gap of mine, or is it the lack of revision? And accordingly, I used to study things. And one more thing, that when I was reading at the end, it was that I was not able to concentrate on one topic for more than an hour. So yes, it's very like less time and we have to revise a lot. Today is exam day and I woke up around 6:30 in the morning, because last night I slept around 2 o'clock. Around 7 o'clock, I was all freshen up and I was ready to go out. And before going out, I had breakfast, and this is prepared by my friend. These are brown bread and chai. While having the breakfast, I was also reading some of my test series and some of the passages so that my mind get active and comes into that reading mode. Currently it's 7:45 in the morning and I left my friend's place, and it is really early that I have left for my UPSC exam center, because I don't want myself in that situation where I'm a little bit late and because of few minutes I'm not allowed to enter in the exam hall. And it happens to few students and they really regret, because it is the hard work of entire year, and we don't want to miss out of any opportunity just because of the delay in the time. I'm ready, excited, and also a little bit nervous to enter into the exam hall. When I entered the exam hall and I got that OMR sheet, and when I was filling my roll number, the center, the subject, it was a very mixed feeling, that I was excited and nervous at the same time. But when I had the question paper in my hand, everything was really normal, and I was attempting and giving my 100% in that 2 hour session. I'm really happy and satisfied by my performance, which I did in the 2 hour exam time, and I'm really satisfied. And currently, it is the lunch time. I'm enjoying my lunch because after this, I'll be giving CSAT paper also. Overall, if I analyze my performance in both the papers, I'm really satisfied and happy by my performance in both of the papers. But like in my first paper, I was able to attempt everything in 1 hour 30 minutes, and I got half an hour to revisit the questions which I had doubt, and I was having confusion and to attempt the guesswork, so I had that half an hour slot for that. But in the second paper, CSAT, I found it little bit lengthy, because my forte was that I will attempt comprehensions and logical and few of the mathematics question, but the comprehensions I found a little bit tough. So it was yes, the experience was like that, but I am really optimistic and I'm looking forward. And one important thing which I'm definitely going to do after my exam is that I'm not going to refer to any of the answer key except of the UPSC. Because I'm satisfied by my prelims performance, I'm very optimistic and I'm really looking forward that how I'm going to plan and strategize my ahead months in order to prepare for mains. And I really want to focus on my mains, and I'll just take a 2 to 3 days break after this. Today is 10, so I'll take 3 days break, and after it I'll kickstart my preparation for mains. And I'm really looking forward that I'll start with my optional, and then I will go with my other general studies paper. So yes, I will discuss about my mains, what I'm going to do for my mains preparation in my ahead vlogs. One more important thing I would like to share with you all is that currently, like, I have purchased a study package, but the thing is I am preparing from my home, so I don't have any companionship. So that's why I have this YouTube channel, and I share my views, my feelings, my emotions with all of you, and I really go through the comments, what you guys post below my videos. So that's why I would like to tell that now onwards I'll be giving content in very different manner. So it might happen that my I'll shoot my vlogs and I'll post it. So within a week there will be, like, most probably there will be 2 videos per week. One will be the study vlog, other will be the live study session, and it will be interactive. And mostly now the focus will be means oriented, so I'll be doing answer writing, I'll be reading things, making quick revision notes, and keeping now I'll be converting all my elaborate notes into a very crisp and concise notes. So yes, this will be the journey ahead. And on this note, I would like to end today's vlog. Happy study hours to all. Keep preparing, and if you guys have any doubt, write it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer it. If you guys are new to my channel, then do subscribe it and keep watching my vlogs. Thank you everyone.